In this video, I will show you how to make all YouTube videos unlisted at once. So let's jump straight into it. Now, here we are. As you can see, I'm currently here on my YouTube channel. Now, to do this, the first thing you're going to want to do is actually go into your YouTube studio. So if you come up to the top right-hand corner, click onto your profile picture, and from this menu that comes up, just come down and click to go into your YouTube studio. Now, once you're in your studio, what you're going to want to do is come across to this menu on the left hand side and click onto content. This is going to display all your current videos, and from here, to make all your videos unlisted, it's really easy to do. What you want to do is come up to this checkbox at the top which says select all, give this a click, and above that you're going to see some options come up. Now it's only going to select the videos on the first page, so what you want to do is actually click select all to select all your videos, as you can see here. Then what you need to do is come and click onto the edit option just over here, and on this menu that comes up, just come down and click onto visibility. Now once you've done that, you're going to see a visibility drop down box, and what you want to do is just click onto this, change it to unlisted, and once that's done, just come up to the top right hand corner and click the update videos button. Now depending on how many videos you do have on your channel, it might take anywhere from a few seconds to a few minutes, depending of course on how many videos you have on your channel. But that is how to go ahead and make all YouTube videos unlisted at once. So with that being said, I hope this tutorial did help you out today, and if this did help you out, I would really appreciate it if you was to consider dropping down below the video, leaving a like, and also subscribing to the channel. With that being said, I just want to take a minute to thank you guys for watching this quick tutorial, and I will see you in the next video.